In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove board suggestions on Pinterest desktop. If you're tired of Pinterest nudging you to follow new boards you don't need, this quick setup will help clean up your experience so you only see what matters. Start on your desktop browser and go to Pinterest. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust and wait for your home feed to load so you're on the main screen. Next, look to the top right of the page. You'll see your profile picture, and right beside it, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This opens a dedicated settings page where you can fine-tune what Pinterest shows you. On the settings page, find and open the section labeled Refine Your Recommendations. This is the control center for how Pinterest tailors your feed, including whether it suggests new boards to follow as you browse and save pins. Think of it as the place where you tell Pinterest, show me more of this, less of that. Now you have two approaches. If you want to broadly limit suggestions, look for the option that turns recommendations off across the board and switch it off. This is the fastest way to cut down on suggestion noise, and it will reduce things like board suggestions along with other recommendation types. Keep in mind, this is a wider setting, so it affects more than just boards. If you prefer a lighter touch, stay in the same. Refine your recommendations area and look for the option related specifically to board suggestions. You'll see checkboxes or toggles that control what recommendations you get. Uncheck or turn off the one for board suggestions to stop Pinterest from prompting you to follow new boards while leaving other useful recommendations on. Most changes save automatically. If you see a save button, click it before leaving. When you're done, head back to your home feed and refresh the page. You should notice fewer or no prompts to follow new boards. If you still see a stray suggestion right away, that can be cached content. Give it a moment or refresh again. You can revisit these settings anytime to re-enable suggestions if you change your mind. That's it. By using Refine Your Recommendations, you've taken control over board suggestions on Pinterest desktop and made your feed cleaner and more focused. If this was helpful, keep these steps handy and repeat them for any other accounts you manage to keep the experience consistent. Thanks for watching and enjoy a tidier Pinterest.